One of the methods of joining a company is with a company invitation code. This code is provided by your employer, the Security Guard Company. If this is your first time you've been invited by a Security Guard company and you do not have a Security Guard account with GuardsPro, you will first need to download the app and register as a Security Guard. The GuardsPro app is available for both Android and iOS. Now to register, please open your GuardsPro mobile app and click on the Sign Up Here link below the login screen. Scroll down to accept the terms and conditions and click Next. Next, fill out the form with all the required details and select a new password. You'll be asked to verify your mobile number by entering an OTP through a text message on the number you entered. After registration, you will be brought back to the sign-in screen. Enter your phone number and password to log into the app. Next, on the setting page, click on the Select Company option. Click on the Add icon to add a company to join and enter the 6-digit code provided by the Security Guard Company. Once entered, you will see the name of the company. Click on the company and confirm. Once approved, you will be able to now access the home page of the company menu. You may be working with more than one Security Guard company. The code for every company will be different, so you can add and manage multiple Security Guard companies on the same app. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team anytime.